Hello everyone, today I will show you how to upload shorts on YouTube from mobile, iOS and Android. And here's how it is done. Open the YouTube app on your iPhone. On the home screen of the YouTube app, you will see a plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. Tap on it. This will bring up various options for uploading content to YouTube. After tapping the plus icon, you will see a menu with several options like upload a video, go live, and create a short. Select Create a Short. This option will allow you to record a short video directly in the app or upload a pre-recorded one that fits the shorts format. If you want to record a new video, tap the record button, a red circle, at the center of the screen. You can record a video up to 60 seconds long in vertical format, 9 by 16 aspect ratio, which is the standard for YouTube Shorts. While recording, you can tap and hold the record button to start recording, then release it to stop. If you already have a video that you have recorded and it is under 60 seconds, you can tap the gallery icon, square icon with a photo symbol. To select a pre-recorded video from your device camera roll or gallery, ensure the video is in the vertical portrait format, as YouTube Shorts are designed for that. You can add background music to your short by tapping the music note icon on the right side of the screen. You can choose from a vast library of songs available directly in the YouTube Shorts editor. You can also apply filters or adjust the video speed in the editor to make your video more dynamic. Once you are happy with your video, tap Next or the checkmark icon in some versions. You'll be prompted to add a title, a maximum of 100 characters. Make sure to include relevant keywords, as the title plays a significant role in discoverability. You can also add a description if you wish, but it is optional. Just keep in mind that titles and descriptions help categorize your video. Next, choose the privacy settings for short. Public, anyone can see the video. Unlisted, only people with the link can view the video. Private, only you can view the video. Once everything is set up, tap Upload to post your short on YouTube. The video will start processing, and it may take a few moments depending on the file size and your internet connection. After the video is uploaded, it should appear on your channel's feed and also in the Shorts feed. Your video will be discoverable by other users in the Shorts section on their homepages. And that's everything you need to know about how to upload Shorts on YouTube from mobile. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.